Want to unlock your iPhone with your voice? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily unlock it. So you need to start by heading over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, head over to accessibility. Inside accessibility, scroll down and then head over to voice control. Turn on this feature at the top right corner. Once done, click on commands. And then click on custom at the very top of the screen. Now tap on create new command at the top of the screen. Now enter a speakable phrase from which you want to unlock the phone. Let me enter unlock my phone for now. Once you've written, click on action and then tap on run custom gesture. Now you need to create a custom gesture. Tap on the screen like you tap the passcode to unlock your phone. Once done, click on save at the top right corner. Now whenever your phone is locked, if you speak unlock my phone, your device will be unlocked and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.